Hi, we're Garrett and Kathy Pashusta with the Grit and Polish, and we are here at our Ravenna House property.
This place is an investment property for us, and we want to get top dollar when we sell it. And we really think that for this place to sell at a top price point, that upgrading the moldings in the master bedroom are going to be key to that. And so we did picture frame panels all around the room with Metrie's Option M shabby chic panel molding, and it turned out awesome. It's a really nice look in there. We also, when we were thinking about doing this project here in the house before we listed, we wanted to tackle something that was going to be a high return for our time and our dollars. And upgraded moldings fit that bill perfectly.
Picture frame molding is a current design trend, but it's also something you see in a lot of historic homes. So it fits in with the vibe of this 1926 home, but also feels really fresh. One thing I love about the picture frame molding is what a big transformation it is for relatively a small amount of work and not that much money. It gives the bedroom a really cozy and romantic feel, and it also gives it kind of this time-worn elegance that feels both expensive and approachable.
And we think that buyers are really going to respond to that room, and we're really excited for them to get in there and check it out and hopefully get some offers on the table quickly, because it's listing day. This thing's hitting the market today. Listing day!
All right, so here we are 4 weeks later, and we are not in the Ravenna house because we sold it.
It's sold!
Yay! 5 days after listing, we got a full price cash offer and we closed 3 weeks later. It was completely seamless and no hiccups. It was an awesome, easy transaction, and we feel like we owe it all to the staging and the master bedroom, you know, the panel molding and just that whole ambiance in there. I think it really sold the house.
For more insight on home updates with proven returns, click on the link in the description.